Solana's journey to higher prices, $100 plus in my opinion, very soon continues. Now this is the weekly chart for Solana, and in this video we are going to also look at the shorter term price action on the daily chart as well. So stick around to the end. I have a trade open right now. I'm going to be talking about how to trade this massive bull flag, and of course we're going to be looking at where Solana is in terms of a more medium-term perspective as well for you hodlers and longer-term traders. So no further delay, let's just get straight into it. Of course, do smash the like, guys, and subscribe. We're on the road to 50,000 subscribers. So let's talk about the Solana price right now. So more for the medium term, we're going to go into this bull flag you can see here in a minute and zoom in. But what I want to show you, very important first of all, is a couple of major levels that not a lot of people are talking about. At least I haven't seen many traders talk about these major levels. First up, we need to talk about Fib levels, Fibonacci retracement. Now, in Solana's case, where we're currently trading at $60, if you run a Fib level from the high of 28th of March 2022, this high here, and run it from the top of the range to the bottom of the range, you can actually see very, very interesting that we are now being supported at this crucial Fibonacci retracement level. That is the 0.382, which is situated at just over $60. So $60 is a major support for the Solana price. And you can see the next major level for this Fibonacci retracement actually takes us up in percentage terms another 26% pump to the upside, taking us to the 0.5, which would be $76.42. Those of you that know a bit more about Fib levels will know that it doesn't end there. Typically speaking, in a Fibonacci retracement, you're going to make your way to the golden pocket or golden ratio, the 0.618. So from where we're trading at time of recording today, which is the 5th of December, I'm expecting at least a 53 to, let's say, a 61% pump from where we're currently trading, giving us a very nice opportunity in Solana right now. But just before we get excited, there is a couple of, let's say, warning signs. One warning sign, again, I'm not seeing many traders talk about this major level, but if you run from this pivot high, which was July 2021, and run that across your screen, you will notice touch point, multiple touch points here, and recent touch point. I do believe it is critical before you go long in a big way. Now, full disclosure, I have a long trade on Solana at the moment, but it's a lower time frame Solana trade, and we're going to take a look at that trade in a moment. I actually have a trade open on 𝗙𝗐𝗐, if I can find where that position is. You can see I'm currently small in profit, $270 or so, 3% in profit. And I'm going to be talking about that trade towards the end of the video. So I'll update you on my stop loss, the invalidation, and the take profit. And for anyone that does want to trade, guys, of course, the link for 𝗙𝗐𝗐 is down below where there's no KYC. So you can trade futures, crypto trading futures from anywhere in the world. Really good crypto trading platform, up to 150x leverage, Bitcoin, altcoins, Ethereum, and of course Bybit as well, another great crypto trading platform that I use to trade on. But let's talk about what's likely to happen to Solana in the lower time frames. We've talked about the bigger time frames. We've looked at the Fibonacci retracement levels. So to just summarize that for anyone that wasn't clear, the major resistance right now is approximately this zone, $64. But the next level will be the Fib level that I mentioned. So just once more, put that into your trading plan. If you have one, you should always have one. It's kind of that $75 level and then the $90 level. Also, just to show you whilst I'm on this time frame, and then we're going to go into the lower time frame to show you my trading for December, a really important time frame, of course. What we have here, if you look at this chart, we were talking about this a few months ago. We had this inverted head and shoulders pattern, and the price range breakout from this, funny enough, if you do a measured move from the breakout point, takes you to the golden pocket. about $91, $92. That's why right now on 𝗙𝗡𝗀 I am long. I have a leverage long on Solana, and I'll be opening up some more altcoin trades very soon as well. This is the time to educate yourself. The bull market is back. We can make great gains, and of course I have Telegram links down below as well that you can join to get more insight on trading. But for now, let's talk about the shorter term. So we're going to get rid of some of these markers that we don't need here. By the way, I'm using TradingView, link below for anyone that wants to use great charting. It is free. There are premium versions, but if you're a beginner, you certainly don't need to pay for TradingView. I didn't until maybe 2 years ago. Now, let's go into the daily chart and look at this beautiful bull flag playing out for Solana right now. And we can see that the bottom of this pattern was created in October. And we're going to do a price target here to start things off. But remember, guys, you only really want to trade this on the breakout unless you're already in a position like I am. And I'm going to show you another trade idea that might make sense to you. So from the breakout point, wherever that may be, 2/3 of the way through the move, maybe mid-December, what we could see is a huge move in the Solana price, taking us to about $174. But the number one target and the take profit one target I would go with first would be the width, the measure move of our range. So wherever that breakout is, around 2/3 of the way through, and it is going to give you a price target between 83, and if you do it from somewhere from this point, $86. Again, taking us up to approximately our golden ratio. And this chart is equally important. Before you go on to any of my exchanges I recommend, like 𝗙𝗏𝗀, where of course you can do many different things, like even copy trading, but I'm buying crypto, altcoins, meme coins. What I would recommend to do first is looking at the total 3 chart. The total 3 chart, in fact, is the altcoin market. This is the market capitalization of crypto, less Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it's currently at $420 billion. And actually on the daily chart, it also has a bull flag formation, which of course is beautiful to see. We have an A, B, C, D formation. I would suggest it's like that. And it looks to me like it's just breaking out, holding to the upside. So I'm expecting a huge pump in altcoins. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance right now, it's interesting. It looks to me like we're forming somewhat of a double top. And if you look at it on the weekly, the Bitcoin dominance, you'll notice that this 55% level is actually a major previous support zone for Bitcoin's dominance. So approximately speaking, you can see it here, support, support, support. I'm expecting Bitcoin to have a slight pullback, and you can also see, if we use a fib level on the Bitcoin dominance from the high to the low, you can see it here like this. You can see that we're not expected to go too much higher. Maybe another, it looks big here, but it's only another maybe 5% Bitcoin dominance. So altcoins are in favor, and they're getting more and more desirable. Thanks for joining me on this one, guys. Do check out any one of my other videos on the channel. Make sure the bell's turned on. Again, huge trading bonuses, $5,000 for free on 𝗙𝗏𝗀 when you deposit $100, and up to $30,000 on Bybit, link down below. Join the free Telegram AI bot trade signals group, and do also check out any one of these videos on screen before you go. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you very soon on another video. Bye-bye.